So for Froppy's lips, I'm just gonna extend my lip line a tiny bit with this brown eyeliner. Then smudge it out. Taking some green face paint and just filling in my eyebrows to match the wig. And I'm putting it in the corners all the way to a dark green on the outer corners of my eye, and I'm going to add a shimmer near the tear duct. Two mascaras. I'm using this Wet n Wild, and then I'm using this cat eye one to make the shape in my bottom lashes and upper lashes like Froppy's eyelashes. Put this on my face as just a cute little embellishment. Alright, so now I could get into putting the wig and everything else on. I got my wig. There's the wig. This frog headband I got at Dollar Tree when it was Halloween season, and I thought it would be perfect to add to this. I tie-dyed this shirt myself. It was green and I used a bleach dye method on it. And also painted my nails this shimmering green to go with the overall theme. And that is how I put together this cute Froppy. You guys enjoyed this video of me going over my Froppy casual cosplay. If you guys enjoyed this video, I also have a video where I transformed myself into Ghost Deku. It was a Halloween themed Deku costume.